For this question, we're going to be looking at graphs and tables. We're going to be writing equations, and we're going to be thinking about the different representations. So the problem says a contractor must haul a large amount of dirt to a work site. She collected information from two hauling companies, Easy Excavation and Happy Hauling Service. Question A asks, how much hauling would each company charge to haul 40 cubic yards of dirt? And explain our reasoning. So we can't get it off the graph because it only goes to 7 cubic yards of dirt, and we want to haul 40. From the table, also, the amount of dirt that's involved is not in our table. So therefore, we might come back to A. What we need to do is we need to find the slope or the unit cost for hauling cubic yards of dirt. We would want to use our formula rise over run, and we could pick points, the second y minus the first y over the second x minus the first x. So for now, right, we're going to identify that that's what we need to find is the rate of change or the slope, and then an equation. And that would help us to answer this question A. For B, we want to calculate the rate of change. So picked a ordered pair from the table. We have 450, 490 is the cost for 20 cubic yards of dirt. And 196 is for 8 cubic yards. So these two values represent my first and second y values. So I put 450 for my second value, but I need to take away the 196, which is my first value. So I'm using the formula second y minus first y. And that is over the second x, which is 20, over the first x, which is 8. I'm still using the same formula. And when I subtract, I get 294 over 12. When I divide it and change it into a decimal, I get 24.5. And that is my rate of change or my slope. And I could also get it from the graph, vertically and horizontally. And on the graph, based on the cubic yards being on the x-axis, and the unit, each line is 1, and vertically it's scaled by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's 25 over 1. And what it means is that each cubic yard of dirt costs $24.50 or $25 to haul. So the $24.50 is for the table or easy excavation, the $25 for this to haul the same amount, 1 cubic yard of dirt for happy hauling that we got off the graph. They have different rates, they have different slopes. And C asked if the container has 40 cubic yards of dirt to haul, and there was a budget of 1,000, which hauling company would you hire, and explain your reasoning. So we have these, we can write these equations where we're going to put 24.5 in for the slope for easy excavation. And if we put in the 40 cubic yards of dirt, that was from question A, it's going to cost 980. But if we use the equation from the graph, which is happy hauling, it's 25 times 40. So easy saves $20.